And the AD600 read a diesel. So we just got the thing hooked up, and this is for you boys who don't believe that there's a 9873 out there. It does exist. Even on this 9873, we're still able to get all of our live data here. But if we go further into the PCM and hit read DTCs, you can see we can run the injector buzz test here. We can also do a contribution test, also output state, and a few other tests as well. Only a few more days left on the flash sale for this AD600, so definitely hit that orange cart below, pick one up before the sales are over.